In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a QuickBooks Online invoice template. If you've been feeling frustrated trying to personalize your invoices to better suit your business aesthetic or branding, this guide will help you do just that in a straightforward and efficient way. Let's dive in. First things first, we'll begin by heading over to QuickBooks. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Once there, you'll see a sign in button prominently displayed at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Signing in is of course a crucial step because QuickBooks needs to know it's you and not someone else trying to access your account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you have those credentials handy. Type them in carefully to avoid any login issues. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so check if you have caps lock turned on accidentally. Once you've entered your details, proceed to sign in. Now that you're signed in and at the QuickBooks homepage, your next move is to locate the New button. For your convenience, QuickBooks organizes actions efficiently, so you'll find this button relatively easy to spot. Clicking on New will open up a list of options, including creating invoices, exactly where we want to be. Once you select Invoice, the application will present options to either establish a new invoice or modify an existing one. We're here today to tailor your existing template, so your next step is to head to the bottom of the Invoice menu where you'll see a Customize button. Click on it to move forward. Upon clicking Customize, you'll have a new range of options and features at your disposal. Within these, you'll find Edit Current, which will act as your gateway into the nitty-gritty of your invoice template. This is where the fun really begins, as you'll gain complete control over your invoice's design elements. With the Edit Current feature opened up, you can now start modifying the current template design. Want to align it more with your brand's voice and style? Go ahead and experiment with the layout, colors, fonts, or even add your business logo if you haven't done that already. The QuickBooks interface makes it pretty intuitive, so you'll find each option clearly labeled and easy to navigate. Make sure to preview your changes frequently to ensure they appear the way you envisioned. After you've reshaped your invoice template to your liking, it's time to save all those hard-earned edits. Go ahead and click on the Done button. This action saves your custom template and ensures that next time you create an invoice, it will reflect all the adjustments you've applied here today. And there you have it. You've successfully personalized your QuickBooks invoice template. By following these steps, you should now have an invoice that's truly your own, something that mirrors your business standards and visual identity effortlessly. Remember, if you ever need to make further tweaks or updates, you can always return to the Edit Current section and evolve your design as your brand grows. Thanks for following along with us today, and if this guide was helpful, feel free to explore other tutorials that will help streamline your QuickBooks experience even further. Until next time, happy customizing!